Unit 6F. Reading. Rachel Carson. 1. Look at the book cover. What do you think the book is about? New words. Zoology. The scientific study of animals, including their classification, behavior, physiology, and distribution. She has a degree in zoology and specializes in studying mammals. Marine. Relating to the sea or ocean. The marine ecosystem is home to a diverse range of species. Influential. Having the power to shape or affect something or someone. Her influential research findings led to significant policy changes in environmental protection. Pesticides. Chemicals used for killing pests, such as insects, rodents, or weeds, that can harm crops, animals, or the environment. The use of pesticides in farming can have negative effects on the ecosystem. Establishment. The act of creating or setting up something, typically an organization or system. The establishment of national parks aims to protect and preserve natural habitats. Prompt. To cause or bring about an action or response, to motivate or encourage. The alarming increase in pollution prompted the government to implement stricter regulations. Enactment. The process of making a law or putting an idea or proposal into action. The enactment of environmental policies is crucial to protect endangered species. Agricultural. Relating to farming. The agricultural sector plays a vital role in feeding the growing population. 2. Read the article and answer the questions. 1. What was her great interest as a young girl? 2. What is Silent Spring about? 3. Read the reading strategy. Match sentences A-F with gaps 1 to 5 in the text. There is one extra sentence. Then listen and check your answers. One. D. She had her first story about animals published in a magazine when she was in the 4th grade. 2. A part of her job was to interest the public in marine and freshwater biology via radio programs. 3. E. In which she always concerned herself about the impact that humans made on the natural world. 4. C. She warned the public about its negative long-term effects. 5F. The book eventually prompted a change in national policy, leading to the enactment of a national ban of pesticides on agricultural farming. 4. Read the text again. Are the sentences true or false? Write T or F. 1. Rachel Carson realized the real danger of pesticides when she was still a young girl. F. 2. She majored in the scientific study of animals and their behavior when she took her MA in 1932. T. 3. Most of Rachel Carson's works were about environmental issues. F. For her opposition to using pesticides on agricultural farming was supported by the chemical industry. F. 5 Silent Spring brought about positive changes in the government's policies. T. 6 A lot of people keep on protecting the planet after her death. T. 5 Vocabulary. Complete the verb plus preposition combinations with the words below. Check your answers in the text and in the sentences in Exercise 3. Six Speaking work in pairs. Discuss these questions and report your ideas to the class. 1. Do you think it is necessary for pesticides to be banned? Why? 2. Do you agree with the views Rachel Carson expressed in Silent Spring? Why? Why not? 3. Would you like to be an ecologist? Why? Why not? If so, what would you most concern yourself about?
In wartime, insect-borne diseases could kill more people than bullets. That was until World War II, when a new miracle insecticide called DDT was sprayed by the Allied forces. It wiped entire fields of malaria-bearing mosquitoes and typhus-bearing fleas, clearing the way for troops. When the war was over, DDT became a boon to farmers. It improved crop yields as never seen before, but a best-selling writer realized that this had unforeseen consequences. Marine biologist Rachel Carson had a special ability to convey scientific knowledge along with a passion for nature. With that unique talent, she soon rose from an editor of short radio stories for the US Fish and Wildlife Service to a very successful writer. Her second book, The Sea Around Us, became an instant bestseller, and its film version even won the 1953 Oscar for Best Documentary. In the late 1950s, she received a letter from a friend describing the death of many songbirds near her property following aerial sprayings of DDT. This prompted Carson to spend the next 4 years interviewing other scientists about the effects of the synthetic pesticide. She discovered 3 important phenomena. First, DDT kills all sorts of animals when it is sprayed, not just pests. So it should be called a biocide, not a pesticide. Second, it doesn't dissolve in water and persists in the environment for years, so it weakens ecosystems. And third, DDT enters the food chain by accumulating in fatty tissue. So it affects human health, potentially causing cancer and genetic damage. Carson published her findings in Silent Spring, a book that shook the public's conscience. She called for cleaner alternatives to deal with pests. The backlash from the chemical industry was ruthless, including personal attacks on Rachel Carson. But she had done painstaking research and was backed by many scientists. 10 years later, DDT was banned for agricultural use in the United States. However, Carson's main argument went beyond pesticides. She advocated for vigilance of our impact on ecosystems and started a worldwide environmentalist movement that is not just based on emotions, but also on facts.